NordPass tutorial, how to use NordPass password manager. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the NordPass password manager. NordPass is a really popular tool that we all have heard about in terms of their VPN. But NordPass allows us to secure our password with their simple password protection tool. This allows you to save passwords and sync them across multiple devices. And not only that, but they also save information for your credit cards and other sensitive data. You can make your data secure while still having it on hand at all times. So let's get started with NordPass. To get started, simply head on over to nordpass.com. Now, NordPass has two different variations for business or for personal. You can choose the variation that you want to proceed with. Now, business plans start at free, premium, or family, and then their personal plans start at free, premium, and family, and then the premium or the business starts at teams, business, and enterprise. Now, on the free version, you can only have one account, you have a 30-day premium trial, you can only autosave and refill passwords, and you have secure storage of your passwords, but you cannot access it on multiple devices. Additionally, you cannot view your password health. There is no data breach scanner included, there are no file attachments, there are no email maskings. However, on the premium version, for only $1.29. However, this is on their 2-year plan. If you proceed with their 1-year plan, you're going to be paying $1.69. And in this, you have the ability to save and autofill passwords, secure storage, access on multiple devices. You can view your password health, view your data breaches, file attachments, and email masking. Then on the family plan, this is going to be for family and friends where you have 6 users included, which I find to be the best value for your money. Now, in this particular plan, you have the ability to auto save and autofill passwords, email masking, password held, all the features of a premium account for half the price, and you get the ability to add 6 people. Now, to get started with password saving on NordVPN, we're gonna just go with the free version and then click on get started. Once we do that, we are going to type in our email address. First, I'm just going to delete my other password tool, and I'm just going to create my account by putting in my email address. Once you do that, you will see it is going to redirect us to the Chrome web store. From the Chrome web store, you're going to download the NordPass password manager. So click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. Now, once you do that, your extension will be added on your top right. And just like that, our browser extension has been created. Now we're going to click on create account to create our account with our email address. I'm going to sign up with Google. You can sign up with your email address as well. This is up to your personal preferences on how you want to get started. And once I do proceed, I will have to create a master password. So your master password needs to be something that is difficult to guess. So you guys can see we have hide and show. Your master password really does need to be something that no one can guess, and you need to include at least one special character. And after that, you also do want to include numbers maybe, and you also want to never use this password again. So this needs to be a unique password that you're only using for your Nord account. Then click on continue, and then you're going to have to retype your master password and then click on confirm. Once you do that, you're going to have your account be created. Now, to start creating your first items, you can click on import items and import existing files from your notes or other password managers if you are using any of them. Additionally, you can also manually add your first password for a website or app that you're visiting very often. Or else you can just skip on the top right, and this is what NordPass's dashboard looks like. So on the left, we have categories, we have our passwords, pass keys, then we have any secure notes. We can add free secure notes. Then we can also add credit cards, personal info, shared items, as well as delete any sensitive data we no longer want to store. We also have a password generator available, which can generate a strong password for you. You can choose the length that you want it to be. Let's say I want it to be 8 digits, and I don't want it to be characters, I want it to be words. And the minimum is 3 words. And words usually are very long, so it's going to be a long password. If you want really short passwords, go for characters. And you can go with a 9 character password. And you have password strength that is going to be told to you. You want to pick a password that has a good strength. And usually, the longer your password is, the better password strength you have. You can choose if you want to include symbols, numbers, or just letters. And then I want a really short password like this. And just like that, we have several different passwords available. We also have a email masking feature as well as password health features and data breach scanners. We can click on email masking. This is going to allow us to hide our real ID, and it's going to basically mask your email address every time a website asks for your email address. You can also shield yourself from your real email being exposed, and you also have a data breach scanner, which allows you to see if any of your personal details have been exposed online. You also can get expert security advice to ensure you always stay safe. Now, if I go onto any website, so if I go onto any, product page or any sign up, I can type in my email and then type in a password. And on the top right, I will have NordPass, and I can click on add items as I go. Or by default, you will see your Nord icon is going to pop up on the email and password field on the right side. And it's telling me that there is nothing or no login details that have been saved for this website. But as I type in the ones that I have, it will be able to detect them and it can store them for us. Now, if you're a business or a company looking at NordPass, then your prices are going to start at $1.99, which only has company wide settings and Google Workspace SSO. This includes a business admin panel, recovery of locked accounts, item transfers, encrypted vaults, company wide settings, email marketing, 2FA, Nord authenticators, as well as activity logs. Then on the business version for $2.79, you also have shared folders, security dashboards, and on the enterprise version for $5.99, you have shared folders, security dashboard, data sharing hubs, and provisioning of users in groups. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below which features are you looking for in a password manager.